What's up, everybody? It's me, Aaron Lowe. Welcome to Park Mazda. Got my boy Chris R in the back. We got a huge executive demo sales event coming up this weekend, Friday and Saturday. I'm going to throw it over to my boy Chris R here. He's going to tell you all about it. Okay, let's start with the current demos here, Chris R.
Okay, so for demos we have the 19 Mazda 3 Sport, actually driven by yours truly, Aaron Lowe. It's pretty nice.
Pretty nice indeed.
We got a CX-9, another CX-9, another CX-9.
And what trim are all of these, Chris R? What do we got here? We got GT,
and a Signature.
Beautiful.
Mazda 3.
GT as well, premium package.
Mazda 6. Mazda 6. Mazda 6.
And all these Mazda 6s are brand new. They're not even demos. These are just brand new 2018s that were blowing out.
Yeah, some CX-5. So it's nice because some of these items you're gonna have big discounts, almost like up to 10 grand on some of them. So your pick, right? It's gonna be one of those options where lightly driven with a lot of discounts. Pretty worth it.
And what kind of accessories we got loaded up on some of these demos?
I'm fairly certain a lot of them are gonna have 3M, all-weather mats. Some might have a starter. So
I think one of the CX-9s has a starter. Yeah.
Yeah, it just kind of depends on who had that demo. But for the most part, you're gonna have all the basic accessories already included in the vehicle with all that big discounting.
Beautiful. So stay tuned. For what days, Chris R?
Friday, Saturday, this weekend.
ParkMazda.ca.
Or Mazda.ca.